Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul for you. It's a little different. I don't know if it's different, but basically I went shopping at my local holiday market and I thought I'd share with you what I bought because pretty much everybody I bought from is one of my friends, one of my maker friends, and to be honest, they make really cool shit and I feel like this would be a great place to share that because I think you guys will like what they make just as much as I do. If you're wondering why I'm so dressed up and my hair looks so fancy, I'm about to leave to go to a Christmas party and I figured while I'm all done up, I should film a video because I look cute and I even filmed my makeup and hair doing, so it's a lot of me whining. You'll see it eventually, maybe. I don't know, the last makeup video I made I didn't put out because I hated it, so. Anyway, I'm going to show you what I bought, and I will link everybody below if I can, and let's just get into it, alright? So my first, well this is actually like my last purchase from the holiday market, but the first bag is from High Heels and High Morals. This is from Leslie Martin. She has a blog. I don't really read her blog, but I just like Leslie, and she is a graphic designer, so I got a print from her, which she wrapped up so beautifully. And you may not be able to see it just because of the reflection, but it says, "Girl, you are a badass." And I'm going to put this right above my desk. I've already got a picture frame for it. I got it from HomeSense. I'm not going to show it to you because it's not part of the haul. But yeah, I really like it. And it's pink and black, and I like that combination a lot. Yeah, I don't really know what else to tell you. It just looks cute. She has a ton of other ones, especially if you enjoy wine or gin and tonics. Alright, on to this big stuffed bag. There is a few things in here. So number one is this ring, which you likely won't be able to see. There you go. So this is a ring that I got from my friend Kristen, and she owns Vanderzee Jewelry. She just makes really beautiful things with different metals and just unique. It's not focusing. There it is. Yeah. Okay. She makes really beautiful, like, jewelry, super unique things. I have some of her earrings as well, just a pair of studs. And right now I'm obsessed with this ring, which she made in a larger size. Not specifically for me, but I requested that she make a chunky finger one because straight up, she usually makes them in smaller sizes, and it was never going to fit my finger without it. So anyway, I'm quite pleased with my purchase. It was a really great price. I would have paid more for it, that's for sure. But she does make tons of stuff, and you should really check her out because her stuff is beautiful. Beautiful. Next up is this tiny little set of earrings from Sherry Jeffrey. You guys are probably quite familiar with her stuff because I wear it all the time. My necklace that has a D on it, that's from her. My Faces earrings, like the silver ones, they are from her. And also I have a long-ish gold one with just like a gold pendant on it, also from her. So these might be a little difficult to see. They are tiny little hoops. They're just joined together right now with a little marbly disc on it. So they're sort of like a huggy, but sort of like a hoop at the same time. So you can leave these in long term, and you don't have to like keep taking them out, which is nice. So yeah, I'm quite pleased to have gotten these. And I'm putting them back in the bag so I don't lose them, because I'm not going to put them in right now. Then my final purchase came from Knitwits Couture, which Amelia makes the most beautiful kimonos and headbands and head wraps. honestly, it is like a boho girl's dream. I never really thought kimonos were of my style, but I've recently discovered that I need something really warm and cozy to wear when I'm working from home. You guys heard me talk about needing a robe or something. I think this is my chic version of it, so obviously I can wear this out in public as well, which you can't do with a robe. This will be kind of hard to show you because it looks like just a load of fabric at the moment, but it is this beautiful like camel colored kimono, and it's like this cozy like blanket material. I think it might be like two pashminas sewn together. I'm gonna do like a cutaway so you can see what it looks like. It's just so cozy and it looks great on me, if I do say so myself. Yeah, it looks good and it's cozy. I guess let's just show you, shall we? This is probably not the ideal way to show it to you because you may not even be able to see all of it, and I'm wearing a skirt, which again, not ideal, but this is what it looks like. It's super big. It's got lots of room, like look at, yeah, it's nice and cozy, and Amelia can show you better on her Instagram, but you can actually wear this as a scarf. So I'm not really sure how she does it, but I think you just like fold it up and then wrap it around like that. I'm losing my ring here. Anyway, so like you can wear it multiple ways. So if you're too hot to wear it as a kimono, you can wear it as a scarf too. Anyway, alright, so that's everything I purchased today. I also went into Happy Thoughts, but to be honest, I'm going to be there tomorrow, which is Sunday, and all day Monday, so I'm sure I will have lots of time to shop there. So, yes, I have stuff stuck to my lip gloss, which is a hazard of wearing lip products, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. All of these things, or the websites where you can get them, or Instagram accounts where you will most likely find these people, are linked below, because not everybody has a website that you can just shop off of, especially when you're a maker person. A lot of people just directly buy through their Instagram, which it's weird, but like, it works. So if you see anything on their feed that you want, message them or find their Etsy or something like that, and you can get it too. I am so excited for this cozy kimono, and I'm gonna be wearing my new ring and my new earrings tonight when I go to the Christmas party. So, very, very excited.